Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aislinn, back at it again with another video. So as you can see by today's title, I spend way too much money on clothes. No, I'm just kidding. Not really. I do. Anyways, so we are doing a clothing haul. So I have a bunch of different brands, as you can see in the title, and I have a lot of things, so I'm just going to jump right into the video. So if you guys want to see what I have purchased lately, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start off with the item that I'm actually wearing right now. It's from Garage. I've been loving Garage lately. I don't know if everywhere in the world has a Garage, but in Canada we do. And it's a really, really cute, like, I don't know how to explain the store. It's like vibey, chill clothing. If you go on their website, you can kind of see the vibe that they give off. But it's a cute little sweater. It looks just like this. Zips all the way up. So it's super cute if you want to just be like a little bit more, you know, I'm chilling or I'm cold. Or it could do something like this. Little unbuttoned. I think it's actually so cute. It's really warm for it being cropped. I'm obsessed. I just love the color of this, honestly. Yes, I am wearing pajama shorts. But yes, it's super cute. I love the material. And this was on sale. It was $25. If you have their app, you can usually save money. So on the two things that I purchased, I saved 25%. So this was actually like 20. We're going to stay on Garage because I have about 4 things from them. I got some biker shorts. Surprise, surprise. Now these are super cute. I love Garage little spandex shorts and their leggings. So I was like, oh my god, they have biker shorts. I'm obsessed. Need to get them. So here I am. Purchased them. So these were, I don't know how much because I took the tag off. I'll link it down below. I want to say they were like 15 bucks or something like that, or like 10 bucks. Super cheap. I'll try them on for you. They're super adorable. I love them. All right, so these are the shorts. I think these are literally so cute. They come up really nicely on the stomach and they also look nice on the booty. Soup's cute. Soup's cute. Love them. They look actually super cute with this little top. Like, this is the mood. Awesome. So the next things that I got from Garage were these little bodysuits. And I can't remember off the top of my head how much these were either. I threw out the receipt, but just a really cute little like square neck bodysuit. And they are a thong at the bottom so that you can wear jeans with them and not have like a triple butt. But these are really cool because the straps come off. Like they're like a little bra hook. They just attach back in there. Super cute. I love them. So I got one in black and I also got one in white. They're very flattering. I really, really like these tops. I will try them on for you. So this is the bodysuit. It's super cute, really, really flattering. I love a good square neck top. The material is really thin, but I'm wearing a nude bra and you can't see through it. I think it looks really, really cute. You can see in the back there's no lines because it is a thong. It's just really cute. And I'm not going to bother trying on the black one because it's literally the exact same thing, just in black. So there you go. Super cute. Okay, so that's all I have from Garage. So I'm going to move on to a different store now. So the next store that I have it's in Toronto. We don't have it here where I live, but I went to Toronto and I picked up a few things when I was there for a weekend. And it has like that M. I'll put their logo somewhere here. I'll link everything that I can find down in the description, but M doesn't have a website, so you can't even shop online. You have to go to the store, which is super annoying, but I got the cutest skirt ever. I've already worn this skirt. I got so many compliments. It was the most cute thing I've ever seen. And you know what? I'm very skeptical when it comes to animal print. Like, it can look really tacky, but this is a really beautiful, like, pleather material, gorgeous snakeskin skirt. I love this. I'll insert a picture. I wore it out one day when I went out in Toronto. Child. This is so cute, and I was actually super happy because their brand, like the store that sells this, featured me on their Instagram page, which was really cool. So go check that out. I'm gonna try this on. Oh, and just so you guys know, this skirt was expensive. This was $80 for this skirt, but I loved it so much and I wanted to treat myself to a nice item, so I bought it. Sue me. Sue me. So this is the skirt. It's so cute. I wore it with a black top, but it actually looks really cute with the white one as well. I paired a belt with it, but it looks cute without one. I love how it fits. It's very flattering. I'm just obsessed with how it feels. I love the length. I love how it's high-waisted. It's just super cute. I love it, love it, love it. I haven't been telling you guys anything this video, so everything that I got from Garage was in a size small. And this skirt, I believe, was also in a size small. Okay, so the next thing that I got from M by Manishi, I don't know what it's called. Either way, I'm calling it M. Was this really cute dress. And it's really hard to see here, but it has a cutout right in the front. And it's like a bodycon. Black dress, super, super soft material. And this was on sale because everything in there is so pricey. Originally, this was a $70 dress, and I got it for $20. Bargains! So I'll try this on for you guys so you can see how it looks. And this is in a size small as well. Okay, so this is the dress. Honestly, it's really unique. I don't own anything like this. It's really, really, really like figure hugging. It looks super nice. It's super soft, and I love this like little cutout detail here. It's really beautiful. I am still wearing a bra with it, so you can, but you have to be careful because a lot of the times it will like slip over a little bit, but so cute and so flattering, and only $20 for a $70 dress. So always stock their sale section because you can find some real cute things there. Next store, we're gonna do Pretty Little Thing. I got 3 items from them. Super cute. So I'll start with the first one. I got this really cute dress from them, and it's really cute. It's kind of hard to see again here, but off the shoulder, black, and the sides have like an open tie up kind of situation. You'll see when I try it on, but super cute. The material is really stretchy, so I will try it on for you guys. Oh, and once again, here I am. This was, I have no idea how much. I'll put it in the screen somewhere how much it was because I have no idea at the top of my head. Okay. BRB. Okay, so this is the dress. It's super cute, like very, very flattering. And these are the sides. So it comes all the way up to here. So this is definitely a dress that you cannot wear underwear with. You have to be a little commando under there. But I just love how this looks. Like for photos, it's so nice. Like if you were actually at the club and you're trying to dance in this dress, like might be a little bit risky, but it does tie up right here so you can tighten it a little bit or loosen it to your liking. But I just think this dress is super cute and very like clubbing night with your girls, you know. Okay, next thing from Pretty Little Thing that I got was the other color in this top. So if you look at my last clothing haul, I had like a rainbow crop top like this, but it was like brighter colors. So this is the more pastel version. These are so cute, y'all. I told you I was gonna go and order this, and when I went back to order this, this was on sale for $10. I should have got 5. I don't know why, but I should have. So it's super cute, and this is also in a size small, and I'm gonna try this on with some shorts that I got from them as well. They're just biker shorts. I believe they were $8. I'll link the proper price down there, and you will see them all together. Okay, so this is the outfit. How cute is this top? I'm sorry. This is one of the cutest tops I've ever seen in my whole life. I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed. The colors against your skin just look so flattering, like I just love it. I just think it's honestly one of the cutest tops I own. And then these are the shorts, more biker shorts, of course, because I'm super obsessed with them at the moment. And these are just the sand color. They look really nice on the booty. And they're very stretchy and comfortable and soft. And I like the length that they come to as well. I just think they're really flattering all around. And I just love biker shorts. Okay, so that's it from Pretty Little Thing. We're going to jump on to a new store now, Fashion Nova, because I don't have enough things from Fashion Nova. So I got these pants. They're in a size small. They're super cute. I also wore these out. I will insert a picture of how these look on. They're super cute. I can't remember how much these were. I think they were $20 though. Okay, so these are the pants. They're so adorable. I just put them back on with the bodysuit because the striped shirt was not going to go well with that, but they're so cute. Super high-waisted, go above my belly button. And then they flatter the booty really nicely as well. Super cute. Obsessed with these pants, very comfortable, and they have pockets. The material is very soft. It is a little bit thin, but if you wear nude or like white underwear, you shouldn't be able to see them through. Sorry, my grandfather is mowing the lawn. It's really loud. I can see him. Okay, so anyways, that is these pants. The next thing that I got from Fashion Nova was a pair of jeans. Of course, because I don't have enough Fashion Nova jeans. You can never have enough Fashion Nova jeans. And if there's people watching this video that still don't own a pair, go on Fashion Nova and order you a pair of these jeans because they're phenomenal. These are, I think it's like Tough Luck jeans. They have a hole in the knee. Beautiful. So I bought them right away. These were $39.99, I think, so $40, which is really, really good for a pair of jeans. And I got them in a size 3. Did I say those last pants were a size small? I'm losing it. I'm losing my mind. These are super, super high-waisted. They come up really far. And I love that because they just cinch in the waist beautifully. Then they have the 2 holes in the knees. And the booty on these jeans, guys. So nice. And they're so comfortable even though they're really, really high-waisted. I'll come up so you can kind of see the detailing on them. And then the booty. So nice. I'm obsessed with these jeans. My favorite pair of jeans I own. I have some stuff from a store called DYNAMITE. They have it here in Canada. Also don't know if they have it in the States, but really cute. They're affiliated with Garage. So if you have the Garage app or the DYNAMITE app, they work together kind of thing. So I got a few things. First, I got this really, really cute, like bright yellow tube top. I cannot remember how much any of this was, but this is in an extra small dash small. If I can find all this stuff, I will link it. I believe this was on sale for like 15 bucks or something like that. All right, so this is the top. It's really cute. It comes down a little bit past the jeans, so you could tuck it in or leave it out. But it has that like kind of sticky material right there so that it holds up and stays nice, but super adorable. I love this color. Anything yellow pretty much has my heart, so I love this top. Next top that I got is another tube top because I have probably 40 tube tops. Not kidding. But this is also in an extra small. I like it because they're really stretchy, but this one's really cute. It has like little gold. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like... Okay, so this is the top. Super cute, very flattering. I'll go up a little bit so you can kind of see the material. It's really, really cute. Looks good with these jeans as well. It's just a really cute top, like very basic. You can wear this with pretty much anything. I love it, really comfy, and I love everything tube top, so there we are. Okay, so the next thing, I look naked. So the next thing that I got was another tube top, and it's actually super cute. It's denim. This is in a size small, and this was on sale for $10. Super cute. Looks like that. It's like a little bit flared out, and it buttons all the way up. So I will try this on for you guys. So I'm trying it on with darker denim. Some people are about it, some people aren't. I love a good denim on denim. I just think it's really cute. It's very flattering. You could put a belt around here if you wanted to. Don't need to though because it kind of already cinches in and flares out a little bit. I just thought it was really cute and I don't have anything like this. So I wanted something new and it was on sale. So if it's on sale, I'll pretty much buy it. Okay, so the last thing that I got from DYNAMITE was this little like lacy bralette kind of top. It's a really pretty like lavendery purple color. This is in a size extra small, and the straps also do come off of it so you can wear it as like a tube kind of top. So it's really cute. I just love the color. I fell in love with it. Okay, so this is the purple top. I think it is so cute. It's not really a top, I'm not gonna lie, but if you're feeling a little risque one night and you want to wear something a little bit cuter, like you could wear it with the high-waisted pants and it's like pretty acceptable, I think. And then the back just looks like that. The straps come off like I said, but it's nice for a little extra like oomph if you're part of the... How many times am I going to say itty bitty titty committee on here? But I am wearing a nude bra under this and you cannot see, so because this doesn't have any padding in it, if you want a little bit of something, like you can wear the bra underneath so it like hikes them up, you know? Okay, so next. Okay, so we're actually almost done. I just have one store left and it is Winners. So this is my receipt. Winners is like Marshalls, TJ Maxx, like they're all kind of like the same thing. So you can find a billion things there for super cheap, like a lot of like sportswear, a couple of random things that people are gonna be like, what the hell? Okay, so I got this cute ass top. Yes, this is a shirt, but I wear it as a dress. I got it for $20 in the men's section. The next three things that I got are all from the men's section, but I got it in a large so that I could wear it as a dress. So I will try it on for you guys. Okay, so this is the shirt as a dress. You could sleep in this, or you could go out in it. I paired it with thigh-high boots. I'll insert a picture right here. I wore it out the other night and it looked so cute. But this is the Atari symbol. A lot of people are like, oh my god, like, do you even know what that is? Yes, I do know. Atari was an old gaming system. Next item that I got was also from the men's section in a large, and this is this Boys in the Hood, really cute long sleeve shirt. It says Boys in the Hood on the side, and this was also $20 from the men's section. Okay, so this is the Boys in the Hood shirt. I absolutely love this one. Comes also to a good length for a dress. I'm gonna wear this with sneakers for sure. But this is also a top that I'm going to pair with jeans and stuff. You can tie it up. I'm not going to right now because I have nothing on. But yeah, super cute. I just love that as like a t-shirt dress or a long sleeve dress, whatever you call these. And some sneaks and like a jean jacket or something. I just think it's adorable. I love, 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 love. Okay, so the next thing is also a $20 large men's t-shirt, and it just says like Harvard on it. I thought it was super cute. It says on the side too. Okay, this one I'm super excited about. I love this color. I just think the color is so gorgeous, and it makes you look like tan nice, but also comes to a really cute length. I'm going to wear this with some sneakers for sure. I just think it's really cute for like those warmer fall days. Is a look, guys, and it's super comfy and cozy. I'll definitely be wearing shorts under it when I go, and when I wear the pink one out, I wore it downtown, I wore shorts underneath it. Okay, so the next things that I got were actually all pants, and they're all super cute, and I'm obsessed to show you them. This is probably one of my favorite pairs, or one of my favorite items that I got in this whole haul. These were $17, and I got them in a size small, I believe. They're these super cute camo high-waisted joggers. These are probably one of the softest pairs of pants I have. They have pockets and this little like red and black and white striped detailing on the side. So I'll try these on for you so you guys can see. Okay, so these are the pants. They are so cute. They have a drawstring waist, so you can snatch them in really nice. Super high-waisted, beautiful pockets. I love the side detailing. I think it's so cute. And the booty also looks pretty good in these. I'm obsessed. I just love these. They're so comfortable. Like, I would wear these every single day. I love how they look. Like, I just love them. I wish they had more colors because I definitely would have got them in more colors. But I'm obsessed. Next thing that I got were also $17. Super cute in a size small, I believe, as well. These really cute striped pants. So soft as well. They feel very similar to these, almost as soft, but these were so cute, and I just love any like comfy pants like this for the fall. It's just a go-to, you know? So once again, they have a cute little drawstring tie here. They also have pockets, which is amazing. I love anything that has pockets, but once again, they just sit beautifully on the waist. And the booty also looks pretty cute. Honestly, they're so comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing pajamas. Like, really, truly, I do. But this is a cute outfit, and you can pair it with a cute little pair of white heels or nude heels or sneakers. Like, just super casual. I play with my hair so much this video. It's just, like, looking too curled, you know? And the last pair of pants that I got from Winners, actually, this is the last thing in my haul, were these adorable Adidas track pants, also high-waisted. I just love the color, and these were $30. So I don't know if you guys know, but like usually these pants are like $50. So I saved quite a bit, almost half price. These are the pants, also have pockets, so cute. Like, this is just adorable. I love these pants. They are more cropped, so they come like right about there. It's not like fully down. I really, really like these pants though. I just think they're so cute and they fit really nicely. Also come up really good on the waist. Once again, any jogging pant makes the booty look good. I am just obsessed with these. I actually have an orthodontist appointment in about 30 minutes, so I have to get going. But I'm definitely just going to keep this on and wear it out because it's really cute and comfy and casual. So that is it for all of my clothing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as my other hauls because those seem to be getting a lot of views. Thank you guys all for being around. I did actually just hit 5,000 subscribers a couple days ago, so thank you guys all for joining the crew. I don't know what I'm going to call you guys yet. A-Money's Honeys. I said that in one of my videos and everyone's now, all my friends laugh about it and joke about it. It's hilarious. But yeah, I just want to really, really say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And let's just keep them subscribers coming up, you know? I'm coming up. But yeah, so that is everything. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that like button if you liked my video. And also hit the little notification bell so that you get notified when my videos pop up. So if you don't hit the notification bell, then you might miss my video. And who would want that? You don't want to miss all this greatness. You don't want to miss my bank account slowly deteriorating from buying all these things to show you guys. Come on, seriously. But that is it. Thank you guys again so, so much. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.